Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today's video I'm going to show you how to stitch a French knot. This is what I've done with the French knot details. It's so easy and fun if you do it with the correct technique, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. Get your needle with a thread and don't forget to tie a knot at the end of it. I'm using all 6-strand DMC thread. And now bring your needle up through the fabric. Then wrap the thread around the needle twice or more for a larger knot. I'll pick twice. Then insert back your needle close to the hole that you came out. While bringing it down, hold the thread on the other hand. And once you get there, you may let it go and your French knot is done. It's so easy, right? I'll show you a few times and I suggest to practice it on fabric scrap before you do it on your real project. I hope you enjoyed till the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Happy watching!